GravityWrite is now on sale for just $97 for an entire year. Here's what you get: a blog writer that can write SEO-friendly blogs with original images automatically included. And the best part? Publish the blog on your website in one click. Next, you can generate both images and videos for social media, where there is no need to write detailed prompts because the templates are already included. So just pick the template you need and hit Generate. All content stays on brand because GravityWrite can automatically detect your brand colors and use them in the images that you generate. Next, once you create your content, you can connect all your social media accounts into GravityWrite and then instantly schedule them across all of your accounts. GravityWrite also comes with its own AI website builder, which means just by giving a description about your business in few lines, you will be able to generate the entire business website, including original images. Next up, if you have long meetings with your team and want a quick summary, just drop the audio or video into GravityWrite and you get an instant summary in minutes. If you have an e-commerce site, GravityWrite can create product ad videos, 360 spins, UGC ads, and much more. For content creators, this is a must-have. And the best part is that all of these can be done from your mobile, because GravityWrite has its own mobile application. So you're getting access to all of these for an entire year, simply by making a payment of $97. So hurry up, this offer is not going to last forever. If you buy today, as a bonus, you also get the YouTube Summarizer on the mobile app. Visit the link given in the description to grab the deal right now.